Hi friends, welcome to our channel Jyoti Prakash Education. So, today in this video, I'll tell about the Mahajanapads, which is a part of ancient Indian history. Before watching the video, please subscribe to our channel and do like our videos. The word Mahajanapads means great kingdom. About 2500 years ago, some Janapads became more important than others and were known as Mahajanapads. The king who performed big sacrifices were recognized as being king of Mahajanapads. They evolved from Janas, Janapads and then 16 Mahajanapads. Most Mahajanapads had a capital city. Many of these capital cities were also fortified. Forts were built because people afraid of attacks from other kings and needed protection. The second reason was some rulers wanted to show how rich and powerful they were by building large, tall, and impressive walls around their cities. The new Rajas also began maintaining armies for their defense. Soldiers were paid regular salaries and maintained by the king throughout the year. There were two types of states in Mahajanapads: monarchies, means Rajyas, and non-monarchical states, means Ganas or Sanghas, and it is called Republic. Besides food and lodging, some payments were also made using punchmark coins. Now we'll see changes in agriculture in the Mahajanapads. Firstly, the growing use of iron plugsters. This could turn over heavy clay soil better than with a wooden plugster, so that more grain could be produced. Secondly, people began transplanting paddy instead of scattering seed on the ground, from which plants would sprout. Saplings were grown and then planted in the fields. Now we will see tax management in the Mahajanapads. The rulers of the Mahajanapads collected regular taxes for different purposes, such as building huge forts to maintain big armies, etc. Some of the taxes were taxes on crops, known as bhag or share, was fixed at 1/6 of what was produced. Taxes on craftsperson were in the form of labor. For instance, a weaver or a smith have to work for a day every month for the king. Then herders paid taxes in the form of animals, and animal produced milk, meat, hides, etc. There were also taxes on goods that were brought and sold through trade. Out of the 16 Mahajanapads, Magadh was the most powerful Mahajanapads. In the map, we can see the location of 16 Mahajanapads. Let us now discuss the 16 Mahajanapads. Kashi. The capital of Kashi was Varanasi. Modern location of Kashi is Benares. The city got its name from river Boruna. Kosala. The capital of the Kosala was Shravasti. It was located in modern Awadh region of Uttar Pradesh. Anga. Capital of Anga was Sampa. It is situated in present-day Bihar and West Bengal. Anga Mahajanapad finds reference in the Mahabharata and Atharva Ved. Bhadji. The capital of Bhadji was Vaishali. It is situated in present-day Bihar. Malla. The capital of this Mahajanapad was Pabhapuri. It is situated in present-day Gorakhpur region of Uttar Pradesh. It was a republic. Seri. The capital of this Mahajanapad was Shuktimati. It located in present-day Bundelkhand region. Badsha. The capital of Badsha was Kosambi. It was located around the present-day Allahabad. This Mahajanapad is also known as Bhamsa. Kuru. The capital of Kuru was Indraprastha. It is situated in present-day Meerut, Delhi region. Panchala. Capital of North Panchal was Ahisatra and the capital of South Panchal was Kampilla. It is situated in present-day Western Uttar Pradesh region. Matsya. The capital of Matsya was Biratnagar. It is situated in present-day Jaipur area in Rajasthan. Surasena. Capital of Surasena was Mathura. It is situated in present-day Western Uttar Pradesh. The Mahabharata and Purans refers to rulers of the Mathura region as the Yadu or Yadavas. Asamaka. The capital of Asamaka was Potana or Poteli. It is located on the bank of the Godavari river. Avanti. The capital of North Avanti was Ujjaini and the capital of South Avanti was Mahismati. It is situated in present-day Malwa and Madhya Pradesh. Gandhara. Capital of Gandhara was Taxila. The kingdom of Gandhara comprised modern Peshawar and Rawalpindi district of Pakistan and Kashmir Valley. Kamboja. The capital of Kamboja was Rajapur. It is situated in present-day Kashmir and Hindu Kush. Magad. The capital of Magad was Rajgriha or Giribraj. The kingdom of Magad roughly covered the modern Patna and Gaya districts of Bihar. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to our channel.